Hello, welcome to lesson 12. Today we are making a brioche. And as always, ingredients, instructions will be down in the description. So with the brioche, instead of using water, we're going to use milk, sugar, butter, eggs. It's an enriched bread. So all the things that makes the bread yummy. But we're going to add the butter later, and the butter should be at room temperature. So after we add all our ingredients to the bowl, we mix it. Now brioche takes a while to knead, so if you have a hand mixer, go ahead and toss everything into the mixer and put everything in it and mix it up for about 30 minutes. If you don't have a hand mixer like I do, my hand mixer broke, then we're gonna have to use our hands. And it's not easy to knead, but it is going to be done. Once it's in a ball, we're going to let it sit for about 15 minutes and then we're going to knead it. Now brioche is a soft dough, so do not add flour to it. Here my dough is not as soft because we are beginners and I don't want you to experience this so soft yet. So make your dough like this so you'll be able to get used to the dough, the texture, and also you'll be able to knead it if you're kneading it by hand. Again, if you're not kneading it by hand, you can go ahead and put everything in the mixer and still make sure you don't add flour to it because it's very tempting, because you're going to think, oh, it's too soft. No, you're not supposed to do that. Okay, so we're going to add our room temperature butter. Now here is where things got tricky for me because my butter got too soft because it's hot in this part of the woods. So as you can see, the butter is too soft and it's not mixing into the dough. Now this can happen, okay? So guess what? We're not gonna deal with this today. Oh no. So what we're gonna do is we're going to bundle it up and we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes so the butter can come back to a texture that can mix into the bread. Now look what 30 minutes in the refrigerator has done. Now I can continue to knead and continue to incorporate the butter because you want the butter to be incorporated in there evenly. Don't forget, when your hands get tired, let the dough rest for a couple of minutes and come back to it. It will be fine. So I kneaded this for another 15 minutes. 15 minutes was enough for me. I could have gone 20 or 25, but 15 is fine. Now after kneading, time is up. We are going to cover the dough, but first we're going to put it in a bowl with a little bit of oil. We're going to cover it and we're going to leave it in the refrigerator for 18 hours or overnight. And here we are the next morning. We are going to shape this into a loaf pan and let it rise again. And then we're going to bake it at 375 for 30 to 40 minutes. As you can see, the cold dough is stiffer because the butter is now back to normal. It's not a room temperature anymore, so the dough is a little stiffer, but it's still workable. So the best thing to do is when you take your dough from the refrigerator after it's been there overnight, let it sit on the counter for at least 20 to 30 minutes, okay? So it can come to room temperature a little bit so you don't have to deal with stiffness like this. But if you can manage to, why go ahead? But I will let it rest. And again, once you form your dough, make sure you what? Paint your seams so things don't fall apart in the oven. Once your dough is all shaped up, put it into your baking pan, cover it, and let it rise. Now, because this is an enriched bread, it's not going to be risen in an hour. So just leave it alone on the counter and let it take its time to rise. If you're in a hurry, put it in the oven with the oven light on. Beginners, do not turn the oven on. Just put it in the oven and turn on the oven light. That's it. After the dough is risen, we are going to egg wash it to make sure we get that golden brown color. It's going to be 1 egg and a teaspoon or 2 of whole milk. Make sure you get all the top where it's supposed to be golden. Okay? Now by this time, your oven should be on where you're preheating it. And it's ready to go in. And after 40 minutes in the oven, look at that, look at that. Let me tell you, it smells amazing. And congratulations, you have baked your first enriched bread. Clock it, clock it, clock it. Yes, come on now. Let's see what it looks inside. In lesson 13, we're going to make another enriched bread, but a different one. We're going to be making a braided bread. Come back and learn how to bake a braided bread and learn how to braid it. We'll be teaching you step by step. Look at this beautiful thing. Delicious. Well, until next time, bon appetit!